Hello, this is Rio. I haven't done a video in a while, and so that's what I'm doing today. And, I'm playing Sniper. We're gonna wreck some noobs, or I'm gonna get wrecked. Anyway, this is what we're doing today, and, that's basically what we're doing, is just getting people. This is Crit Sandwich Balloon Race. This server goes through different mini games. I teleported back onto the boat. Oh, hey. Nope. Aw. Maybe I too should put on the Girardi. Anyway. So, I've been doing things for a while, and I decided to relaunch my channel. I have been recording with Winford a little bit. So, uh, the server is so annoying to get headshots. Did you see that? Next time, slow the video down. Just watch. Slow the video down and just like watch. Like, oh, I got dragon. Hey. I would high five you, but yeah, yeah. So this is balloon race, and basically, we're just hitting heads. This is so hard. Do you see that? Oh, see, I'm dead. I might go like soldier. Yeah, this is a soldier. My specialized kill streak. That's interesting. Like I've gone through those tours 6 times. Haven't gotten anything really worth of value besides an Australian knife, but really like. I mean, I would like the sniper rifle or something. Okay, you are not dead. Uh, a nope. I don't want anything about you. A Raven. Okay, let's just get on to this point. If he jumps it, says task. That's for a UGC team. There we go. And yeah. Oh no, they're going scout. Scooty Bootyman, get away! Back! No, don't touch me. Don't you dare. I don't know how I'm alive. Yeah, oh. Oh no. We don't have a heavy. I have a heavy. Oh no, heavy. Don't kill me. I'm jumping away. Do we have any health? Yeah, we got like the small health pack. Bloody hell. Okay. Yeah, so I'm just relaunching the channel because I decided to record. I want to make this like a 10-minute video. I don't know if it's going to be laggy or not, but I'm trying to download the Elder Scrolls Online beta. Taking me forever. And yeah, I might record some MVM. I don't know. I don't really know how this is gonna turn out. I just think it might be good. No, no, he's dead. Okay, burning capture. Get on the freaking point. Oh, come here. Yeah. Get shoveled, scrub. Okay, yeah. But I just need this guy to come up here and no. Oh, really? No. Come on. I'll block you for now. For now. So you don't interrupt my commentary of probably it's not gonna work out. But have faith. Always have faith. Hey, can I get a medic? I got a shovel. Where? Oh, poop. Ready to heal? Yeah. Boosting your crits. If I had a sandwich, I would give it to you. Just so you know. Uh. Oh, nope. Come here. What the hell? Oh, oh. Really? Really? Really, Dragon? You're the one who threw that? Okay, then. Um. Oh, oh shit. Get wrecked. I am not great at soldier. I don't know how I did that. I don't feel like shutting up. I feel like talking. Talking is a good thing. Okay, let's just get up here. Hey. Hi. Having a good day? Yeah. He likes shovels. He likes it. Okay. You mind giving him a heal? Sniper's a good job, mate. You know? Eh, Ever think of the little people? Anyway. Um, I am gonna market garden him off of there. Oh, you know how to air blast. Hit registry. Welcome to TF2. Yeah, so if we cap this point, we gotta keep on going. So I'm gonna see if I can get on the bow. He doesn't like us talking. Hey, mute people then, it helps. I'm on it. I'm on it. There we go. Make me you absolute nerd. That makes me hurt, man. Scrub it up dub. What's in the tub? Um okay. Let's not get oh bloody hell. No. I'm on the bow, I'm floating. Oh, never mind. Hey, hey there, buddy. Thanks. What do you even have? Festive, Kritzkrieg. Yeah. So, uh, yeah. Oh, you're hitting me. I can hit people too. Oh, I can get up there. No, that didn't work. Let's try it again. He got me. They're not gonna get off their ship, are they? No, no, they're not. Oh, okay. Be it. If I can hit you. Hey, dragon, come with me. We're gonna snipe them off their boat. Think you're gonna hit me? Do you think I'm gonna hit you, huh? Nope. Who hits things anymore? Oh, yeah, we win. You sure? Okay. Okay then. Eh, I'll five that. Woot, go medics. Yeah. Team player right there. Anyway, I have a little bit of a cold and it's not good. So we're gonna play one more round of this, and that's it. I don't think spies help on here. I'm just gonna give you a tip that they don't really help because you kind of have to get on the boat, and that's where people is. So yeah, spies are helpful. I won't deny that, but on this map they really aren't. Dude, we just like attacked them with Girardi, and it plays this song. I don't know if I should do anything about this. You are clearly dead. Oh, okay. Let me just um. Well, many people play spy not understanding the responsibility of the class and the point of what you're trying to do, which is give your team the upper advantage by spoiling any activities or traps or, you know, stuff such as that. I can't never snipe whenever I try to do this. It doesn't help. Now, if I actually could snipe. Yep. Show you your head. Show me your head. You don't show dragon your head. You just don't. Well, that was something. You know what? I'm gonna go soldier. I like soldier on there. Actually, should I? I mean, if I had the bison, maybe No, I can't. Yeah, so I thought. Punks? Okay. Um. Oh, bloody help. Bloody help. Ah, okay. Yeah. Hmm. You're gonna burn to death, I think. Maybe you should watch out. I mean, yeah. Really? Really? My aim is gonna bounce right as I get him. Or should have. I'm so sure of myself that I probably would have got him. Ooh, Pyro Shark. No Pyro Shark. I don't like Pyro Sharks. I should have taunted. Hold on. Taunt, taunt, taunt. Yes. Yeah. Uber charged. Oh no, this is gonna turn out so good for me. Escape route, escape route, assistance. Nope, YOLO. No, no. I'm gonna go soldier. Pinkie Pie Hope. Okay. Yeah, I like soldier just because of market gardener. One word, market gardener, and I've gotten better at it a little bit. Actually, I'm quite frankly terrible at it. I don't know how I hit those at those last few moments. Man, I'm dealing no damage. If they stop here, I'm gonna get off. Disposes of them. Actually, you know what? No, I need to get off of this boat, man. Oh, whatever. Um, Bye, dragon. Have a beautiful time. No. And there goes dragon. Bye, dragon. Have a beautiful time. Okay, that was different. This is gonna work. Overheal for the win. Overheal. Respect your medics. And he gets balanced. Made a bet with him that if he ever dominated me when I played Sniper, I would give him $100. But that is clearly. I wonder if I can take these. I don't think so. Anyway, this map, Crit Sandwich, has just a bunch of stuff, and yeah, it's a lot of fun. What the fuck? Oh my god. Okay, fair, fair. Well, that was interesting. I can't believe I just got killed like that. Hopefully he jumps off here so I can teach him a lesson. Nope, 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 not teaching anything. We're not teaching anything today. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Hey, shut up, dragon. I don't want to hear it. Elder Scrolls. Bull. Up, he's dead. Oh, this is unfortunate. He literally jumped off, huh? Oh, that's his fault for not paying attention. Oh, no, I just died. Chrono's killing Snipe. Oh, yeah, that's right. On his Bushman's rules. What the hell? Okay, okay. This is okay. Oh, he's calling me a wanker? He's calling me a wanker? You're the wanker. Bloody oaf. Name calling. Oh, well, shit. Oh, shit. Meh, 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 meh. Do, 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 do. Do, 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 do. Da 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 do 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 do. Hey, dude. See who's wearing that danger shield? Here he's a crocodile. I don't respect crocodiles. Yeah,